What are some signs that I am in the chase trap in my current relationship? Identifying the chase trap. Are you chasing or attracting? Detective signs. You are currently falling into the chase trap. Based on the traffic light relationship framework, the chase trap occurs when you attempt to force emotional investment through sheer volume of effort, rather than allowing it to grow naturally. If you find yourself in these situations, you are likely chasing. First, initiation imbalance. You notice that you are almost always the one starting the conversation, sending the first text, or suggesting plans. In the context of the soft red light, this is a sign that she has become too secure and stopped initiating contact. Second, the convincing reflex. When she shows signs of emotional withdrawal, the hard red light, such as asking for space or being cold, your immediate instinct is to push harder, ask more questions, and try to convince her to feel a certain way. Third, reactionary emotionality during conflict. If a conflict or a blackout phase occurs, you find yourself sending long, heavy, emotional messages, begging for reassurance, or arguing intensely to regain her attention, instead of maintaining your own calm dignity. Fourth, responding to tests, not effort. You feel like you are working hard because you respond instantly to every test. Small, low-investment probes like a simple "hey" or an emoji, without waiting for her to show genuine effort, vulnerability, or clear reconnection attempts. How to break the chase and regain control, step by step. If you recognize these signs, follow this guide to shift from a chaser to an attractor. Step 1, identify the light. Determine if you are in a soft red light routine or low effort, or a hard red light active withdrawal. Step 2, implement the strategic pullback. Instead of pushing harder when she pulls away, do the opposite. Reduce your availability. Delay your replies slightly and focus more on your own life and activities. Step 3, maintain calm dignity. If she asks for space, or even if a blackout phase occurs, stop all attempts to fix it through contact. Respond with respect. For example, say, "I understand." Take the time you need and then actually step back. Step 4, wait for genuine effort. Do not restart the momentum immediately after your pullback. Wait until she provides signs of genuine effort, such as expressing that she misses you or asking to talk, rather than just sending a low-investment test message. Step 5, rebuild gradually. Once she shows real effort, return to being warm and present, but do not immediately jump back into full intensity. Let the connection rebuild at a healthy, reciprocal pace. The biggest mistake regarding this topic. The most destructive error, is trying to resolve emotional withdrawal by increasing your own contact frequency. When she pulls away, hard red light, your instinct tells you that if you just say more, care more, and do more, she will come back. In reality, this creates pressure, causes her to feel even more certain about needing space, and ultimately reduces your perceived value and ability to cause curiosity. Personal advice and golden rules. My best personal advice: to be a master of attraction, you must learn to be comfortable with silence. Silence is your most powerful tool for creating curiosity. If you are always there, you become predictable. Predictability is the death of desire. A simple rule to remember: match the energy, but lead the rhythm. If she gives little, you give a little less, but you never go to zero unless it is a blackout or hard red light. One key truth: attention must be earned, not forced. You cannot force someone to want you, you can only create the conditions where they want to move toward you. The golden rule: distance creates desire. Without temporary absence, there is no way to feel the contrast of your presence. The simple formula for reattraction: emotional withdrawal plus your calm pullback equals increased curiosity and attraction.